In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Zendesk with Wix. As you can see, here I am on my Wix website, and what we need to do first, we need to go to Wix Automations, and we can type that here in the top, Wix Automations, and what we are going to use as well is a integration tool called Zapier. So it's called Zapier.com. You want to make sure to create an account, and then we can go back to Wix, actually create an automation, and we can set up a example thing like this one. This one is popular, thanks visitor who submit a form, but we can also start to create one from scratch, which I'm going to do right now. So now we have to select a trigger, so when something happens on Wix, something else is going to happen on Zendesk. So let's say Wix forms, when a visitor submits a form, and then we have to choose a follow-up action. So when this happens, this is going to happen as well. We want to hit connect to Zapier, and now we want to log into Zapier, which we did. We can go to create Zap. We want to type in Wix Automations right here, and yeah, that's basically it on the trigger. And now we have to choose an event. So we have to choose automation rule. Then we can hit continue, and we have to connect with Wix. So as you can see, now it's going to connect with Wix. Make sure you're logged in on the same browser, by the way. There we go. We have to hit add to site. Awesome. And there we go. Now we have set up our trigger. We can go to continue. And that's basically what we have to do here. We can set our automation rule here, and this can be whatever you want. Then we have to go to the action, which will be in Zendesk. So unfortunately, to use Zendesk on Zapier, you need a premium plan. It's not free, like almost all of them are free, except for Zendesk and a few more. And then we can choose an event. For example, create a ticket, create organization, anything like that. So let's hit create organization. Then we can hit continue, and once we've done that, every time here a Wix form has been submitted, a new group will be added to Zendesk. So obviously that's a little bit strange, but you can choose any action you want. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.